Hey there shoppers, it's Amy. And what if I told you that I found a robot vacuum cleaner that is strong enough to deep clean your carpets while smart enough to leave all of your cords alone? Well, this here is the ECOVACS DEEBOT T50 PRO Max OMNI. It's a really long name, but believe me, it earns every letter. We are going to take this through an unboxing, some stress tests, and see if it can keep up with the chaos of everyday life, aka my house.
All right, first impressions. This robot's giving quietly powerful. Inside, we've got the T50 Max Pro itself, the Omni Station, the mop pads, side brushes, and a user manual I'll totally skim later. It looks sleek, but we're ready to see if it can handle the mess I'm about to throw at it. So, ECOVACS gave this thing something called blast suction. And I gotta say, it does live up to the hype. We're talking 18,000 PA of airflow-driven chaos control. It's not just surface cleaning either. It pulls dirt and pet hair up from inside the carpet fibers. The stuff your old vacuum pretends doesn't exist? Well, this one drags it out like it's airing dirty laundry. Carpets beware. The Max is here. Most powerful vacuums have one fatal flaw. That's the battery life. But with this, it cleaned my entire place, crushed the pet hair, tackled every rug, and still had some juice left. No mid-cleaning recharge, no drama. Power vacuum, marathon battery. We love a good multitasker. Pet hair, my long hair, baby wipes. I don't know how it all ends up on the floor, but the T50 Max Pro handles it like a pro. Zero Tangle 2.0 means no more pulling gunk out of the brush roller. The V-shaped brush and anti-tangle comb keep everything running smooth. I am officially retiring from hair maintenance. The robot's got it now. Most vacuum cleaners, they just hit the wall and give up. But the Max Pro, it's got True Edge 2.0. With a side brush that extends into the corners and a mop that hugs the baseboards, it doesn't skip the edges. And it's weirdly satisfying to watch. This thing cleans like it's being graded. So, no more playing untangle the vacuum from your charger. AI VI 3.0 handles that for you. It dodges over 100 types of obstacles using its smart AI vision, so your stuff stays safe and your vacuum doesn't act like a toddler with tunnel vision. Honestly, it's smarter than my last 3 roommates combined. The voice control on this thing is next level. It's called Yeeko GPT. Yeeko, clean under the couch. No complicated commands, no app required. Just speak and clean, which is great because I forget buttons even exist. Now, the Omni Station isn't just pretty. It's really powerful. It deep cleans the mop with 70°C hot water. It dries it, then it empties the dustbin, refills the water tank. Basically, it's a full-service pit stop for your vacuum. Translation, you don't lift a finger. Meanwhile, I'm still forgetting to water my plants. It's like your vacuum booked a spa day every day.
So here's the deal, folks. If you want powerful suction, a long battery life, and zero effort, then the T50 Max Pro is definitely for you. It's going to do all of those things without missing any corners or choking on any hair. And where it really, really shines is on your carpets. With that blast airflow technology, I'm telling you, it pulled stuff out of my rugs that I had no idea was even in there. And the best news of all is that right now you can get a great deal on this for Prime Day. Usually this is $9.99. Right now you can pick it up for $6.99, a savings of $300. That is for Prime Day on July 8th to 11th. You can check out all of the links and everything in the description below. I'm going to leave all of that for you guys so you can go ahead and get to shopping and pick up that fantastic deal. I really think that you should let the robot do the dirty work for you. You've earned it. Adios, amigos.